Alright, adventurers, we are here at McCormik Wilderness. I am going to be taking the White Deer Lake Trail all the way to White Deer Lake. I think it's 3.5 miles, and I need to hurry because it's about 8 o'clock and it's getting dark fast. So, let's go. Alright, so we're headed out. Yeah, I said it was about 8 o'clock. It's 8:45. So, I am walking very fast. I looked, it said 3.1 miles. So, I don't know if I'm going to make it, but we'll try. I'm about halfway there. Oh man, it rained all day today, and it finally stopped, and I was really glad that it stopped. But obviously nobody's been here at all today, at least, and everything is soaking wet. So now, pretty much from my waist down. Oh, look out! Oh, obstruction. Oh. So anyway, I'm basically soaked from the waist down, just from the plants and stuff brushing up against me. But I'm just trying to hurry to get to the campsite. I ain't got time. I ain't got tea and time to bleed. I made it here to the campsite. Just got here. It is 9:50, so it took me about an hour. Yeah, as you see, it's pretty dark. Barely any light left, but there's actually 2 campsites here. Or 3, actually. I found 3 campsites. So I get to take a little pic. It's a gorgeous lake behind me that's just perfectly still. I'm sure you can't see it at all because it's too dark. But we'll see it in the morning. Let me go get set up, and I'll catch up with you. Alright, everybody. I'm all set up here. I'm going to hit the hay. I'll see you in the morning. Morning, adventurers. It is about 7 o'clock in the morning, and it's still raining. I think I'm going to go ahead and sleep in for another hour or two. See if the rain stops. It is now 9 o'clock, and the raining's pretty much stopped, so I think I'm going to pack it up. I'm going to head down to the lake, check that out first. Check all these slugs on my tent. I'm really enjoying climbing up my tent today. Anyway, pack it up. We'll go check out the lake. Okay, so here we are down by the lake. This is an old resort, I guess, that was down here in the lake. Whitetail Deer Resort. Not sure how people got here, if it was like a rough 4x4 drive or something, or what. But yeah, it seems like all the wood and everything is gone. It's just the foundation left. Pretty cool. It's a little cellar area down in here. The main boiler room is still here. You can see where the furnace was and stuff. The exhaust pipe going out. Someone's underpants are down there. And then we go down just a little further from the resort. Here's another campsite right on the lake. Looks like someone tried to add a little water access area here. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, I didn't see that last night, but you can see on the island out there, there's a brick wall. There must have been some more stuff out there, part of the resort. Oh yeah, it looks like there used to be a dock over here. They probably canoed out to the island, or boated. Pretty cool. Whitetail Deer Lake. I did look around here for a little bit, and it seems like those are the only two campsites I see. There's a trail that goes off that way, but it kind of just kind of follows the lake until it kind of just peters out. Same thing with that way. There's a trail that way. I think it just kind of leads to the water access to the dock area over there. But again, no campsite or anything. All right. Well, I think I'm gonna head back up to the camp, finish tearing down my tent, and start heading back. I was planning on getting an early start today, but the rain made me wait. I tried to get a time lapse of me taking my tent down, but it didn't work. So I guess you missed that. But here's my camp. I did get a new tent, an MSI Hubba Hubba. My dad wasn't going to use it anymore, so he gave it to me. It's about 1.5 pounds lighter than my Passage 2 tent, so I can definitely feel that in my pack. That's nice. But yeah, I just set up my tent right there. There's a little fire pit right here, which I didn't use. Yeah, it's a beautiful spot. The resort and area in the lake is down over that way. A couple 100 feet. So yeah, kind of nice little area, but I'm all ready, all packed up. I got my poncho on. It's not raining, but on the hike in here, I got wet almost up to my waist from just bushes and stuff brushing up against me. So I'm gonna wear the poncho to keep it below my knees this time. Look at this. I didn't even realize there's an apple tree right here. Beautiful green apples growing. So this is McCormik Wilderness in the Ottawa National Forest. It's a nice place here. This trail was very well maintained up until about the last quarter mile to the campsite. There's tons of downfall. I don't know why the rest of the trail is clear, but not the end of it. But nonetheless, the trail was very well maintained. It's a very secluded wilderness. That was one of the reasons why I picked this place. It's very low traffic here. There's only this trail that I did is the only trail, at least on this side of the park. There's another side of the park with some other trails. But yeah, this 3.5 mile trail to Whitetail Deer Lake. It's the only trail on this side, except for the North Country Trail, which also runs through this park, or this wilderness, just to the south of us. I contemplated actually doing a section of the North Country Trail instead of this, but this is what I chose. All right, through the tree. Ooh-ah. And that's why I wear the poncho. Hopefully we'll get to see some moose. There were some beautiful, beautiful places for moose grazing up here. It was a little late when I came in, so it was kind of getting dark. But now it's even a little late in the morning for moose to be out feeding too. That was one reason why I wanted to get started early, but it was raining. Look at this log. Just coated in moss. Beautiful. The sun is finally coming out. After a couple of days of just raining and dreariness. Although I can't complain, I'm pretty good luck with the weather when I go hiking and stuff. One thing about this place is the mosquitoes here are horrid. They are terrible here. But it's probably like places like these, there's mud pits. Perfect breeding grounds for mosquitoes on both sides. Here's one of those spots I was talking about. Moose love to graze in these open fields like this, but on the edge of forests, so that if they need to, they can flee into the woods. There's a hummingbird over there. Beautiful. But McCormik Wilderness here has the highest population of moose in Michigan, I believe. Something like that. I think it said like the biggest herd, but moose don't travel in herds. They're very solitary creatures. So, I don't understand. There's a lot of moose here. These cool little pink things, I've never seen these before. They're called water smartweeds. Interesting, very beautiful. Bright pink. Gorgeous area. I saw this on the way in, but I couldn't get it on camera because it was too dark. Well, let me know if you can tell me what this is from. It definitely doesn't look natural. It looks like some kind of pit that someone dug. I don't know. All the walls seem pretty steep and uniform. Goes down into a pit, but then there's like a mound. I don't know. Anybody know what this is? It looks very unnatural. Here's the one little beaver dam, little mini beaver dam that I had to cross last night. I think this takes the record for the smallest beaver dam I've ever seen. Awesome. My shoes and legs are thoroughly soaked. Right, I just saw a peregrine falcon circling around on this thing, squeaking. Dang it, I think we lost him. Another gorgeous area here. Great for moose. You can see trails going through here. Those are obviously deer and moose paths going down to the water. I just wish I could see them. All right, here we are. This is the bridge to the parking lot right there. Beautiful land out here. Beautiful. Kind of bummed I didn't see any moose. I'm kind of bummed about the weather, but hey, I still had fun. This was exciting. So that does it for McCormik Wilderness in the Ottawa National Forest. A white-tailed deer lake. We saw that peregrine falcon. That was awesome. Well, I guess you did. I didn't get it on camera. That sucked, but that was awesome. Yeah. One of my goals on all of these backpacking trips, every time I come out, is to see a moose. It's always been one of my dreams. I've never seen a moose out in the wilderness, but I've always wanted to. But maybe next time. Thanks for coming with me. Please like and subscribe, and check me out next week on Happy Trail Backpacking.